So I have a Glock 19 Gen 3 and I absolutely love it. I love everything about the Glock pretty much except the sights. The sights are pretty mediocre in my opinion, but they're very, very, very easy to switch out, which is awesome. And I've done that, and I have put on some Tritium night sights. I doubt you're going to be able to see it on this silly camera. But you have these two kind of greenish yellow dots on the rear sight, which are tritium, so they will glow in the dark. And you have this bright orange and green on the front, which again glows in the dark, which makes it very, very easy to see in low light situations. So this does two things for me. This is on my nightstand firearm. So in the middle of the night, if I were to need my firearm, heaven forbid, I can, one, see where my firearm is sitting even in the pitch black, because in the pitch black, as I look over at my nightstand, I can see the dots glowing. I know which side is the back end of my firearm, and I know which side is the front end, and I know how it's positioned. I know where it is in space because I can literally see it glowing on my nightstand. But then when you pick it up, you can also get a good sight profile using the Tritium night sights. And I also take this to the range, which is during the day, obviously, and I love shooting through these sights during the day. I've never actually needed to use them at night, but I'm glad to know that they shoot well during the day, and that if I do need them at night, they are there for me. So these are sights that I have bought, that I have on my current configuration, and that I would definitely recommend.